Good day, everyone. We met once again for our maths class. What we are going to look at today, we are going to tackle down each and every single question in financial mathematics. Since we did we covered the checklist so far. So today, I'd like to take this opportunity to take you through each and every problem that is giving you challenge there, boys and girls. So I'd like to advise you guys be with me until the end of this session, since we're going to enjoy our financial mathematics all together here. Of course, if you need some further help with mathematics and physical science, here's my email here, all small letters, messiando95@gmail.com. You can also contact me on the number that follows, 071576 8614. I'm having the question paper here just written recently. Province Gauteng, as it was paper 1, June exam paper 1. Gauteng, it was question 6. You can download it so we can flow all together here. If you don't have it, yes, you can download it so you can able to refer as well that site. And also, if you didn't watch the first video whilst I was explaining, summarizing the financial mathematics, they're explaining which formula to use, what is it that we have to check, do the right thing before you watch this video. Okay, so without wasting any couples of times, just allow me to take you through. As you can see, it was question 6. All in all, it was having the total marks of 13 marks with 3 questions, 6.1 up to 6.3. So, okay, I hope you are ready. We are starting now. So I want us to flow all together. Here whilst I'll be analyzing this question. So let us have a look here on 6.1. We are given an information here that we have to analyze before we answer the question. The questions is having 4 marks. Yes, you can see. So there's nothing much that we're going to worry about. So we are given the information here. They said, for how long must 50,000 be invested? Before you take it further, just ask yourself about how long, what is it that they are looking for? Remember, I explain all the definitions. Definitions to you all guys, that in finance we use the definitions, those symbols that I was taking you through on previous video. So when they said how long, obviously they need us to find n. The period, right? How long must these 50,000 be invested so that it can be double? Be invested. Obviously, it have to be the principal value, the amount that we are having in present. So this is representing the P so that it can double. It can double. Obviously, it is going to be times 2 of this one, which is going to be 100K here. 100K, and this one, it is representing the A, which is the final amount, right? Because it's going to be doubled at the end to give us this 100K. So they need us the period. How long does it take to double this amount, so that it can give us this 100K here at an interest rate of 8.5% per annum. This is just our I. on a straight line method. Straight line method, remember, is just representing the simple interest formula. You will see when I list everything down here. Then at the end they said give your answer in years and month. You have to put it into consideration as well so that you can able to grab these 4 marks for free here. Okay, I'm going to write everything that is given down. 6.1. Firstly, we have to write n because we're looking for n here. We we have got an amount which is just the p here, which is given as 50k, so that it can be double. A as 100k at an interest of 8.5%. Just because dealing with the interest, remember it have to be divided by 100 here. They didn't say anything about it is compounded or it's monthly, quarterly, yearly, so you don't have to worry about that. What you must do, you just have to divide this 8.5 divided by 100, because we're dealing with the percentage here, which is just going to give us 0.085. When we take it further, okay, at the end they said we have to use, they said on the straight line method, so meaning that we have to use the formula for a straight line method, which is the same as the simple interest formula. Simple interest formula, 1 plus I multiplied by n. That's it. So what we have to do as next is to substitute whatever that we are having and make n subject to the formula, since we are looking for it. And don't forget, they said we have to leave our answer in years and month. So okay, A, remember it is 100k here, equals to P, which is represented by 50k, 1 plus an interest of 0.085 multiplied by n. N is the one that we are actually looking for. So what we have to do, we just have to drive this and make n subject of the formula. Of course, we have to divide both sides by 50,000. When I divide this side, my right hand side, by 50,000, I'm going to left with 1 plus 0. Let me remove the brackets. 0.85 times n. Here I'm going to divide by, I'm dividing it by 50,000, right? Sorry, I have to divide both sides by 50,000. This is going to be this 100k divided by 50,000, which is going to give me just 2 here at the end. 1 plus 0.085 times n. These and these are the like terms, so I have to take 1 this side. It's going to be 2 minus 1, 0.85, and on my left hand side I'm going to left with just 1 here. I'm going to left with just 1, equals to 0.85, and divide both sides again by 0.85 to get our n. That's the subject of the formula. Okay, we take the calculator then here. It's 1 divided by 0. Okay, did mistake here. Damn. It's 0.085. 0.085. Hey, please be careful, guys. Please be careful when we deal with the numbers. It is easy to do a mistake. So this is just the 1, 0.085 n divided by 0.085 n divided by 0.085, so that this and this cancel out. My n, it have to be 1 divided by 0.085, which is going to give me 11.7646 7 up to infinite. There we've got a lot of numbers here, but what I want to emphasize here, they said you have to give, or we have to give our answer in years and month, and already the first number before the comma, it is representing years, and this number after the comma multiplied by 12 is going to represent a month. So this is gonna be 11 years, and it's 0.7647 times 12 to convert it in month. So it's gonna give us let us see, 0.7647 times 12. It's going to give us 9,1764. Therefore, our final answer now here is gonna be N. It's going to be 11 years, 10 month. Yeah, this 9,176 the same as the 10 months. So this is our final answer in years and month. This is how we grab these 4 marks, guys. 1 mark for your final answer, and obviously it's going to give you 1 mark for your final answer, and yeah, that's just the value of n, that your n, it is just 11 years. Yeah, of course the final answer is just having the 1 mark. 1 mark for substituting, simplification, 1 mark. Also the value of n, which is this, they're going to give you 1 mark, so that you can grab all these 4 marks. Sure. Okay, so I'm going to continue with you guys. Just allow me to remove this. Okay, next question, which is 6.2 here. 6.2. Okay. Another information here, they said a cell phone value at 24,000 depreciates. What is to depreciate? Remember, when something is depreciating, it is losing value. So we have got 2 formulas representing the depreciations, depending, or is it the compounded or the simple interest one. Okay, so don't forget that the depreciates just simply means that something is losing value. So a cell phone valued at this 24,000 depreciates at an 18% per annum. On the reducing balance method, you have to master this. Okay, I'm going to explain more further when I list everything down. Determine the value of the cell phone after 3 years. Actually, they want us to see the amount of this cell phone after 3 years, or how much is it going to cost if it was valued at 24,000 and depreciates at an interest of 18% per annum. Okay, at a reducing balance method. Okay, just allow me to list again the information here. 6.2 here, the best way is to put what I am looking for on top. Determine the value of cell phone after 3 years. Here they need amount, which is our A, after the final amount, which is this. Oh, okay, let me focus my camera. And P, which is given as 24,000. Okay, then we also given a period of 3 years, an interest of 8% per annum. Obviously, we have to divide it by 100. Let me do it quickly. 8 divided by 100. It's going to give me 0.08. It is 18, not 8. I'm going to get 0.18, okay, as my interest. Okay, then What else? Oh, the reducing balance method. Okay. The reducing balance method, they're talking about this formula, which is an A it's going to be just 1 minus r to the power of n. So that's it. So this is the reducing balance method. They're looking for A now just here. So what I have to do is to substitute.